Hey everyone, I just wanted to add a little bit of clarity and explanation to our discussion board. And first of all, I apologize for sticking the wrong due date on there, which compelled a lot of you to jump into this without my explanation. Now, having said that, a lot of you in both classes, I'm doing this in both classes, a lot of you have done fantastic, even without my explanation, which is making me feel a little, unimportant right now, but that's okay. But I did want to clarify one thing. When we think about these topics for our research proposal, hopefully you've already, watched my mini lecture on our new assignment. Let's focus on common everyday topics, okay, that we can write an informational research proposal for. Now, when we think about common, think of everyday, mundane, things we come in contact with all the time. Now, when we think about things like social distancing, quarantining, COVID-19, I'll tell you right now, those are extraordinary. We are living in a very extraordinary time. These are not common things, which make those topics not align with the assignment anyway. But even though they would be fantastic argumentative essay topics, they would be great argumentative current event essay topics. But when we are writing about an informational essay, we are going to be drawing from reference sources that offer history and background and all of those kind of things. And for those topics, those haven't been written yet. Okay, they're going to be very difficult to find. And so I'm going to ask you to pick things that are more of the common, everyday, mundane parts of our lives, simply because they would be much easier to write this on, okay? Having said that, I want to say again, of course, I understand, why you would have picked those. I would have automatically picked those also without my explanation up front. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, bye-bye.